everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon version of Anthony Edwards from the Minnesota Timberwolves. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Anthony Edwards, let's begin by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line in a little bit on each side. Then I'm going to come up a little bit. And I'm going to curve this across. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and around for the ears. And we'll do the same thing here. Just kind of go up, down, and come back in. Then we want to make the hair. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line out, and I'm just going to make it kind of bumpy around here, like a little bit of different size in some of these bumps. Now let's work on the face. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, then I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to draw a small circle, then I'm going to color in most of it for the pupil. Same thing here, circle with color in most of it for the pupil. Next, I'm going to draw a line down for the nose. And I'm just going to curve this around for the nose. Next, I'm going to draw a line right here for the mouth. Then a line's going to come down and then up here. We'll make a curve for the tongue. And then a line across for the teeth. We'll just go ahead and color this part in. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down like this. Then the line's going to come down like this. Do the same thing, kind of go down. Then we'll just kind of redraw that shape here. And let's just go ahead and color in these eyebrows. Now, starting here, let's make the neck. So I'm going to begin by just drawing a line that's just going to go down and then up. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then a line's going to come down here. And then I'm just going to connect these right across. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then I'm going to make a circle for the basketball, so I'm just going to draw a nice circle right across here. I'm going to make a bump right here for one of the fingers. I'm going to make one here, and then one here. Since this is cartoony, we'll just go with 4 fingers. Then I'm going to bring this line back down here for the arm. Then on the basketball, I'm going to make a curve here, one here, and one right here. Next, over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in. Then I'll make another line that's going to come out. And we're going to draw this line down. We're going to draw a line that's going to go around and curve back for the thumb. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up, and then down and up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come over. We're going to come up, We'll make a little line across. Then we're going to go down, across, and then up here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then back here. And then another line's just going to kind of go down and come back here. I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down and up. And then same thing here. I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down and up. Curve here and curve here for some shoes. And then another one right here for the top of the shoes. We'll curve right here for the bottom of the shoe, and then right here. Then I'm just going to make a line across and a line across. Then we want to start working on the jersey. Now, to start off with the jersey, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to go right across. So we're just going to make a line across here, a line down, over, and then up. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come across here and come across here. We're going to draw a line here for the shorts and a line right here. Then we're going to make 2 lines here and then 2 lines up here. We're going to make a 1 on here, so we're going to make a line right here. I'm going to go down here, straight down here, down and in, and then down and in. Then we're going to put the sleeve on them, so we're going to make a little curve here, and then a curve right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon Anthony Edwards. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.